Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Kwid's unit supports Apple CarPlay. This avoids wasted steps. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone and allow CarPlay while locked so the head unit can establish a trust relationship. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the Kwid's front USB port. Use the data port, not charging only. Once connected, watch the head unit prompt for permissions. Accept on both the screen and your iPhone to begin the CarPlay handoff process. After the physical connection, select Apple CarPlay on the Kwid source menu. Some units auto-launch, but manual selection ensures the right input. Make sure you grant location and microphone access on your iPhone. This lets Maps give turn-by-turn guidance and Siri handle voice commands safely. Once connected, configure the app layout from your iPhone under Settings General CarPlay so frequently used apps are easy to tap. Doing this reduces distraction and speeds common tasks while driving. Finish by testing maps, phone calls, and music to confirm audio routing and microphone function. Make a quick navigation route to ensure turn prompts appear on the Kwid screen. If CarPlay won't connect, first swap to another certified Lightning cable and reboot both the Kwid unit and your iPhone. Many issues are cable or cache related. If problems persist, reset the iPhone's network settings as a last resort, then repair. This clears corrupt profiles and typically restores a clean CarPlay connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.